OneVideo AI Review. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you're throwing money away on a dozen different AI tools every month? What if I told you there's one app that could replace them all and save you thousands annually? Stick around, because your mind is about to be blown. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. So what exactly is OneVideo AI? Simply put, it's touted as the world's first all-in-one, cloud-based AI video powerhouse. It gives you lifetime access to a collection of premium, trending AI video apps like Google VO, Kling, and Luma Dream Machine, all from a single dashboard, with absolutely no monthly fees. The sole purpose of this video is OTOs, the one-time offer that you can take advantage of. But first, let's see a quick demo of OneVideo AI and understand how it works.
Welcome to OneVideo AI Quick Demo Video, your all-in-one dashboard for generating professional-grade videos using the most advanced AI models in the world. No subscriptions, no complexity, just powerful AI video creation, simplified. Let's start with AI image to video. Upload any image, PNG, JPG, or WEBP. Then select a video model like Kling 1.6 Pro, Luma Dream Machine, or Hyper 2.5. Type your prompt, click generate, and watch your still photo turn into a breathtaking moving video in just seconds. Whether it's a majestic lion in the savannah or a high-fashion product shot, OneVideo AI brings static visuals to life like never before. Now let's try AI text to video. Simply describe the scene you imagine. For example, a woman walking through a futuristic city at night, and choose a model like Google VO 3, Mini Max, or Kling 2.1 Master. Click generate, and OneVideo AI creates a fully animated video that brings your vision to life. It's perfect for marketers, filmmakers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants to create professional content without cameras or editing software. Enhance your videos with AI voiceovers, available in dozens of languages and voice styles. Or take it further with voice cloning, where you can replicate your own voice and use it in any project. Now your videos can talk in your brand tone without needing a microphone. Need help with script writing or video prompts? Use the built-in AI chat assistant to brainstorm ideas, write powerful copy, or refine your message, all inside the OneVideo AI dashboard. Use the voice isolator to remove background noise from your audio or separate vocals from music with one click. OneVideo AI also connects with your favorite tools through integrations, making it super easy to streamline your workflow. Want to monetize your videos? With commercial and agency rights included, you can sell your AI videos to clients, offer video creation services, or even let others use your dashboard and charge them any fee you like. And here's the best part. You get lifetime access to all of this. No monthly payments, no limitations, and no API headaches. Access the world's most powerful AI video tools like Google VO 3, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper, Kling, Mini Max, Mochi, Runway ML, and many more from one single platform. The future of video creation is here. Tap into OneVideo AI today and start creating, animating, and profiting with videos that stand out, convert, and go viral. Join now and unlock lifetime access.
I hope you understand how OneVideo AI does its magic. Now let's see the OTOs of OneVideo AI. First, we have already seen the OneVideo AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is OneVideo AI Enterprise. OneVideo AI Enterprise unlocks advanced AI features like GPT-4o, Gemini 2.0 Flash, and DALL-E 3 HD for enhanced video creation. Second OTO is MAX. OneVideo AI MAX offers pro access to advanced AI video models, Ultra HD renders, and unlimited features for a one-time price. Third OTO is Voice Universe. OneVideo AI Voice Universe offers AI-powered voice creation, cloning, and customization in 70+ languages for diverse content needs. Fourth OTO is Automation. OneVideo AI Automation Pack offers a done-for-you service to set up and monetize your AI account for hands-free profits. Fifth OTO is Traffic Booster. OneVideo AI Traffic offers automated social media traffic for profits, aiming to replace traditional traffic generation methods. Sixth OTO is SuperModel. OneVideo AI is an all-in-one AI app for creating images, voiceovers, and content, replacing multiple expensive tools. Seventh OTO is Franchising. You can own an AI software business, keep 100% profit, zero tech hassle, limited spots. Eighth OTO is StrikeForce. StrikeForce AI offers lifetime access to future AI tools, models, and features for a one-time payment. Ninth OTO is HyperBoost. HyperBoost offers 2x credits, 5x faster rendering, and exclusive AI tools at 75% off for a limited time. Lastly, the 10th OTO is a reseller. OneVideo AI Reseller program offers 100% profits on front-end sales and 50% on OTOs for a one-time fee. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So, are you ready to finally break free from monthly AI fees and start profiting from cutting-edge videos? Stop waiting and grab OneVideo AI right now. This limited time offer won't last, and you'll get lifetime access to all these powerful tools and a commercial license. Click the link below and revolutionize your video creation today.